Hello everyone. This is in continuation to the topic combinations. Comes under quantitative techniques, meant for 5th semester BCA under NEP syllabus. This is part 43. Question number 13. There are 10 points in a plane, no 3 of which are in the same straight line, excepting 4 points which are collinear. Find out the part A, number of straight lines obtained from the pair of these points. Part B, number of triangles that can be formed with the vertices of these points. First of all, we will find out how many straight lines that can be formed from 10 points without any restriction. So, number of straight lines that can be formed from 10 points without any restriction. So for a straight line to be formed, we need 2 points. 2 points means we can join those 2 points and make a straight line. That means it is 10C2. 10C2 will be 10 into 9 divided by 2. That will give you 45 straight lines. Now, let us come to the part A. Number of straight lines obtained from the pair of these points. Here they say, excepting 4 points which are collinear. So that means those 4 points are on a straight line. Collinear means they are on the straight line. So now let us say number of ways to choose 2 out of 4 is equal to 4C2. That means 4 into 3 divided by 2, which is 6. So now we can say based on this, 6 straight lines cannot be formed. That means number of straight lines that can be formed if 4 points are collinear will be the 45 minus this 6. But those 4 points together can make one straight line. So I need to add that. So that means it is 45 minus 5, you get 40 straight lines. Part B, number of triangles that can be formed. Number of triangles that can be formed from 10 points without any restriction will be, for a triangle to get formed, you need 3 points. So 10C3, that will be 10 into 9 into 8 divided by 3 into 2, which will give you 120. So therefore, number of ways we can choose 3 out of 4, because that 4 points are collinear. 3 out of those 4 will be 4C3. 4C3 is nothing but 4C1. 4C1 is 4. So therefore, number of triangles that can be formed if 4 points are collinear will be this 120 minus this 4. We get 116 numbers, means 116 triangles. That is the solution for this 13th question. Now let us move on to the next one. I will shift this to the next page. In how many ways can 21 books on Kannada and 19 identical books on English be placed in a row on a shelf so that 2 books on English may not be together? Both identical books, they say, every book is same, means among themselves you cannot do any arrangement because everything is same. So there are 21 identical books on Kannada and 19 identical books on English, making a total of 40 books. To ensure that 2 books on English are not together, we will first arrange the 21 Kannada books in a row, leaving spaces between them. There are 22 spaces for the English books. That is, before the first Kannada book, between the Kannada books, and after the last Kannada book. Hence, we can choose 19 spaces out of 22 spaces or 22 available spaces. That can be done in 22C19 ways. That is nothing but 22C, 22 minus 19 is 3. And that will be 22 into 21 into 20 divided by 3 into 2. So this you will get 1540 ways. So there are 1540 ways to arrange these books. That will be the solution for this question.